Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing like a last minute Valentine's Day look because I just got in the mail the lovely NATASHA DENONA palette, and it is the Love palette. What a coincidence, because Valentine's Day is tomorrow, so I hope you got your sweetie something. But we are going to be going in with NATASHA DENONA palette, and we are also going to be going in with a NATASHA DENONA Love Glow Cheek palette. So get ready, because I have heard a lot of good things about it, and NATASHA DENONA is pretty pricey, so let's hope that these are good things. So without further ado, let's jump right into the makeup. But before we do, like always, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And yeah, let's just go see what kind of last minute Valentine's Day look I can come up with. So you open up the package and it kind of looks like this, really cute packaging. And then these are the colors. I'm trying not to put my mirror in there so it's not gonna like reflect, but they're so pretty. And even the numbers, the names are really pretty on here too. I don't know what kind of makeup look I'm going to do, because I know I recently did one and it was pink. So there's some purples in here, but there's only like a few shades. I don't know, I might put like a purple on the bottom lash line, but we will see. So first up, I am going to take this shade, and it's actually called First, and we're going to throw that in the crease for a transition shade. It's pretty light, so I hope it actually works out as like a transition shade. Yeah, okay, it should work. It actually comes off a bit darker than it is in the pan, which is good. I mean, I needed like kind of like a darker transition shade anyways. So not complaining about that. And with your transition shade, you do kind of want to blend it closer towards the brow. Not all the way to the brow, but you don't want to have like something in the crease as a transition shade and then put something directly on top of it, and then there'd be like a huge gap from like the top of your crease to like your eyebrows. So little tip. I did zoom you guys in just a little bit more so we can kind of see the full effect. Okay, so I think I'm going to do like a rosy gold kind of look today, because we are wearing white. So I think the next shade I'm going to use is going to be Soul right there, which I'm just going to throw that in the crease. It is like pretty pigmented. It is very pigmented. And then we are going to take that first brush and just blend out the edges. I didn't put any more eyeshadow on it, so we're just taking whatever was on it and just blending it out. My gosh, like back in like high school, I don't even think I knew what blending was. I don't even want to know what my eyeshadow looked like back then. Woo! Embarrassing. Those actually blended really well together, so I'm pretty impressed so far. Okay, so next I think I'm going to take the shade Intense, which is right there, and I think I'm going to put that all over the lid. Just kind of winging it, because it's such a cute shade, and it is very pigmented. Ooh, it's like a lot brighter on the eye than it is in the pan. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because we are going to take like a glitter color and put it over the lid as well, but I kind of just wanted something on the lid. I did a lot of pink shades in my video so far, I just noticed, which is really weird because I never wear like pink eyeshadows. That's interesting. We are going to take the second blending brush and just blend those edges. don't have anything else on the brush, just taking whatever was left and blending. Okay, next up, to deepen up the outer V, we are going to go in with Heartbreak, which is that deeper kind of mauve pinky color. Going careful with this, so far they have been like super pigmented. And on your outer V, you always want to go in light and build it up, because if it gets too dark, I mean, you might not be able to blend it out and it'd be a disaster. So how is it so much more pigmented like on this side than is that eye? That's so weird how that happens to me. And then we're gonna blend it out and then kind of like blend it in towards the crease. See, blended, not blended. And y'all just ignore my hair. It's still raining in Alabama, so I cannot straighten it because it will look like a hot mess. Or even curl it like with a curling iron. So this is just literally like my natural hair, what it does on the daily. Taking that same blending brush and blending out the edges. It actually turned into like more like a mauve burgundy-ish kind of color than like pink, which is fine because I did like full-blown pink the other day for an eyeshadow look. Have y'all ever had like the weirdest dreams and you wake up and you're like, what did I just dream? Like literally, like holy moly. I had a dream about Shane last night and I'm not even gonna tell y'all, but like I was just like, huh, what is this? Like, what are you thinking, Kelsey? Like, what goes through your head? I'm just like, I woke up and I told him about it and he was like, what? I was like, yeah, isn't that crazy? Mine is a mysterious thing, guys. Use it wisely. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with Lifetime all over the lid and then use Giving in like the inner part of the lid. Maybe. It could be a complete disaster, but we'll see. It's a little like chunky. I don't know if you guys will see that, if it'll pick up on it. Knock it off. Yeah, okay. Glad I decided to do that because that is stunning. Oh, that's so pretty. Yep. Natasha, your palettes are expensive, homegirl, but I mean, they're pretty. There is a little bit of fallout like on my face, but if you ever get that, just take a dual fiber brush and just kind of like brush it away. And then we're gonna blend the crease out with a blending brush. We did go in with a darker shade. Put a little bit more of that shimmer color back on, just so we don't lose it. Okay, and now we are going to use the color Giving and kind of put that like in the inner corner. I don't know if it'll show up with the gold or not, but we'll try. It shows up a little bit. That's pretty. It's more like iridescent, dual chrome kind of. I'm going to work and they're like, you do realize Valentine's Day is tomorrow, right? And then for the bottom lash line, I am going to take the color Soul and just pop that on. So I definitely like this eyeshadow palette. I definitely give it a thumbs up. I do actually love it. I am just going to go off camera and do my mascara and eyeliner and stuff and come back on and do the rest of it. Okay, so eyes are officially done. I actually really like this makeup look. I think it's so cute and pink and flirty and perfect for Valentine's Day. So I wouldn't say, like, if you don't have the money, go out and buy that NATASHA DENONA palette. I just think her eyeshadows are really pretty. But I also think I can get, like, similar looks with cheaper eyeshadow palettes. Like the Colourpop eyeshadow palette that I used earlier. I think it was, like, Saturday's video that went up. You could probably pretty much do the exact same look with that. Or, I mean, find another palette with, like, similar colors to this palette. I mean, you don't have to go out and buy expensive palettes. I prefer cheaper palettes, so that's just me. But I did just want to try that palette because it was a new release from her, and I do like it. I mean, I think it's a beautiful eye look. So that's just my thoughts on it. You don't have to use, you know, the same thing. Okay, so moving on to the NATASHA DENONA Love Glow Cheek Palette. That is such cute packaging, like the eyeshadow palette. And then the actual, like, package itself is just holy moly. Like, why can't all packages be like this cute and this fun to play with? It's so pretty. And then these are the shades inside. I honestly, I'll probably use more of, like, the highlighter shade, like in this, because the blushes are pretty glowy. And there is a cream blush too. It's called Glow Cream Base, Super Glow, Diamond Powder, and Glow Impact Powder. I haven't really seen a lot of tutorials on this, so I'm not sure if you're supposed to layer it up together or what, but we're going to do what we can. So I'm going to try to take the Super Glow base right here and use it first. I know creams before powders, but your girl is super oily, so I can't really do that. I don't even think it's like doing anything. I mean, I can't really tell a difference. I don't know if you guys can. Yeah, I can't tell anything. Do I want to go in with this Super Glow? Because it's really, like, very shimmery. And with my texture and with my oily skin, I just don't know. But for the sake of the video, woo! That is pretty glowy. Okay, change of plans. I'm gonna go in with my normal everyday Colourpop Between the Sheets blush, and then I think I'm gonna top it with the Super Glow. So we might just be a little shimmery today, but that's okay. And then we're gonna blend it out. Okay, now we're going to take the Super Glow powder right there and put it over top to see if that works a little better. I mean, it's very like glowy. So I mean, if you really do like a glowy blush, like this is really pretty actually. And even though it's glowy, like, I don't think it's like really like emphasizing my texture or anything, like a lot. Like, it will some, of course, because I do have like texture and it's glowy, so I mean, it's just automatically going to do that. But I don't think it looks like severely horrible. Like, it's really pretty. It gives you like a nice glow. Okay, and for highlight, we are going to use the Glow Impact Powder. I'm a little nervous because this is like really golden, which that's not the normal highlighter I would use, but we're just going to give it a go. Okay, nothing happened with that brush. Let me get a different brush. I mean, it's not stunning. I mean, you kind of can't even tell where the highlight starts and the blush glow starts. so not my type of highlight. Especially with this look, because this is like a really like dramatic, pretty, flirty look. So I kind of want to, you know, finish glowing. But it's just not, it's just not enough like highlight for me. So we are going to top that with Colourpop Flexitarian just to kind of give it a pop of color. See, now this is the highlight. I mean, Colourpop be killing it. Ooh, I think I want to do a dupe video because I think this is a good dupe for the Jaclyn Hill highlights because it's stunning, and so is her highlights though, for real. I mean, hers is like a smoother powder because it is like more luxury, but I mean, Colourpop. Now, this is what I call glowy. Okay, and then for lips, I am going to go in with Maybelline Mauve for me. It's really pretty. I think it might go with this look. We're going to see. Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup look. I think everything kind of came together and looks really, really pretty. I'm not going to say the lipstick works perfectly well with it, but I don't think it looks like really bad. So I did actually enjoy doing this makeup look. I think it's really pretty and it is perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you do need like a late Valentine's Day kind of makeup look, definitely this would work for you. So I am going to give the eyeshadow palette a thumbs up. I think it was really pretty. It blended out beautifully. It looks really good. So definitely a thumbs up with the Love palette. The Natasha Denona Love Glow Cheek palette, the packaging is really, really pretty, but I just don't think it's for me. Like when I used this one and then the highlight right here, I just don't think it was enough color payoff for me, and for it to be so expensive, I just don't think that it's worth it. So I am going to have to pass on the Cheek Glow palette, but I mean, it's really pretty to look at, so... But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. I will see you guys in my next video, but before you leave, don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, and also go follow me in the links down below on social media. So with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!